I got it, baby. I got it.
Did you really?
I got video going, man. I got video going.
All right.
I got it.
The next one we're going to see will be right here.
Yeah, here we are.
I can see the headlines tomorrow.
I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
Boy, that's it's moving quick though. It's moving pretty quick. Yeah. It's powerful though. Yeah. Standing out here at Colleen's Bar, trying to get a drinking and trying to get a shot here. Here comes the wind.
Here comes the rain. I feel it. I feel rain. Oh, I see it.
Where's the tornado? Oh shit! Come on, baby. I want some. Oh man, I want some pictures. Yes. Oh.
Oh my God.
I got video, see?
I know. If that just came through and you
I
had
know.
right to it.
Yeah. Holy fuck, that's a little windy.
Hurricane.
Come on, baby.
I was going to do a song, but here comes the sun. It's going to blow up. Here comes the rain.
Fuck. I gotta get in or my camera's gonna go. Hey, I gotta get in because it's really getting bad. Holy shit. Fuck, this is no joke, man. Uh-oh. See, this is no joke, buddy. Colleen's sign right there. Not much lightning. There we go.
I think I'm going to sit on a bar.
That's pretty fucking bad. Holy fuck. It's getting bad, but I think it's going to be a quick mover. Here comes some hail. There goes Colleen's sign. We're not getting much lightning now. Fuck, that's looking bad. Fuck, look at the hail. Oh man, here comes the hail. Coming down in sheets. the transformer across the street, man. Right across the street. Oh yeah. Bolt of lightning hit it, now it's arcing.
What the fuck you do, Lou?
Thank God it's a fast mover.
Yeah, man.
It is a fast mover, yeah. It's in for a quickie. Fuck, man. Feels good, though. Yeah, it's a quick mover. Oh, wow! Look over there! Straight down past that sign, man. Something just was going blue. Way down there by the lake. Wow, that was a quick mover.
Yeah. Now the aftermath's gonna come.
This is Colleen's video number 2. Ain't gonna do shit for long. That's a quick mover, thank God. Yeah. So, boy, that was weird. That was tough, man. So, hit that transformer. See that right there? It was sparking right across there. By that white truck. Yeah. Straight down past that sign. Another one turned real blue. Come on, camera, hang in there. Yeah. Hey, you gonna get out or you gonna stay out there all day?
The door opens that way, nothing funny, things closed the whole bar.
Oh, okay. Taking video.